Is there a tutorial or guide on how to set up PPSSPP for playing PS2 games?
Welcome to our video on setting up PPSSPP. In this guide, we'll be discussing how to get the PPSSPP emulator up and running on your device. However, it's important to note that PPSSPP is a PSP, PlayStation Portable emulator, not a PS2 emulator. This means that it's designed to run PSP games, not PS2 games. If you're looking for a way to play PS2 games on your device, you should look into a PS2 emulator like PCSX2.
What is PPSSPP?
PPSSPP is a free and open-source PSP emulator for Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, Android, BlackBerry 10 and Symbian with an increased focus on speed and portability. It can run your PSP games on your PC in full HD resolution, and play them on Android too. However, it does not support PS2 games.
How to download and install PPSSPP?
Step 1. Go to the official PPSSPP website using a search engine. Step 2. Click on the download link for the operating system you are using. The emulator is available for platforms such as Windows, Android, macOS, etc. Step 3. After the download finishes, install the application as you would install any other application. Step 4. Once installed, open the application. Remember, make sure you download your software from trusted sources to avoid any security issues.
How to set up PPSSPP?
Step 1. Launch the PPSSPP application on your device. Step 2. Go to the Settings menu to adjust graphics, controls, and any other preferences. This is entirely based on personal preference and device capabilities. Step 3. You will need a PSP game file, an ISO or CSO file, to play on the emulator. You can use your legally obtained backups or homebrew games. Step 4. Load the game file in PPSSPP by navigating to the directory where you saved the game. Step 5. Click on the game to start playing. Always remember to only use games that you legally own and have backed up yourself. Using pirated or illegally downloaded games is against the law. And that's how you set up PPSSPP for playing PSP games. Although PPSSPP does not support PS2 games, it's a fantastic tool for enjoying your favorite PSP games on a variety of platforms. Always remember to game responsibly and respect the laws regarding game backups and downloads. Happy gaming!